songs in class that are absolute favorites, ride or die. I'll never get rid of them. They never get old. And Tiptoe by Jason Derulo is one of those songs. I don't know why, but we just can't get enough of it. So, but some of the steps they can seem a little complicated, especially to first timers or people who haven't been attending class long. So I wanted to kind of memorialize it by filming it and doing a tutorial so that you could just maybe understand what the steps are and what they come from. This song is a little fast and it's a little bit difficult for me to break them down slowly, but that's what I'm going to do here so that you have an opportunity to hopefully learn them, at your own pace at home. The song is a flirty, sexy, fun song. It gets your heart rate up. You can be sassy and sexy. It's like the perfect song for at any point in the playlist. So, on the verse, the way the verse starts, verse 1 and verse 2 are a little bit different. I'm going to show you the difference here. So, we do kind of a little salsa step to start. We're going to go up, tap up, and side, salsa out. Then you tap with the left foot and salsa out. Let's do it again. Right, left, salsa out. Right, left, right, salsa out. So sped up, it's going to go right, left, salsa. Right, left, salsa. And I'm only tapping that foot in to get my balance to go to the other side. So it might look like I'm putting an extra beat in, but I'm tapping so I can shift my weight to the other side. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Tap, tap, salsa. Tap, tap, salsa. Okay, then we're going to go to, in the first verse, there's a little bit more song. So to make up for that, I decided to kind of reverse it around. So on part 2 of that, you step out, tap, tap, and I usually do a little clap to make it fun. So the feet are step out, tap, tap, step out, tap, tap, step out, tap, tap. Now you're really going to have to tap a third time to actually shift your weight to go to the other side, okay? So you're going to shift out, tap, tap, shift out, tap, tap, shift out, tap, tap, okay? So on verse 2, we only stick with that part, okay? We do not shift out on verse 2. So the last part of the verse, we're going to step out slow and then cha-cha 1, 2, 3, okay? So the way it looks is we're going to kind of catty corner it here and catty corner it here to the corners of the room. So you're going to step out. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. And so what he says on this part of the song is out, bring that body to me, and I'm just going to cha-cha and bring my arm in. If you don't do anything else, just at least learn the feet. Your arms will come. So you're going to go out, 1, 2, 3, out, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to step back. Can't get it off my brain. Step back. And looks like you do ballet. You'll see me do one of 2 things. So after I'm over here, bring that body to me. Can't get it off my brain. You'll see me, he says, looks like you do ballet. So you're going to go, I'm going to either like twinkle toes or I'm going to back it up like that. So it's going to go bop, bop, 1, 2, 3. Bop, bop, 1, 2, 3. Can't get it off my brain. Looks like you do ballet. Okay, that brings us into the chorus, and it's a tip. It says tiptoe. Okay, so you're gonna come up on the balls of your feet and back down. So it's up, down, up, down, up, down. You shift your hips up, down. So you're gonna go, hands go up, hands go back, hands go up, hands go back. And then it says no brakes. So you're gonna go no brakes, bop, bop, other side. No brakes, bop, bop. Okay, so no brakes, bop, bop. No brakes, bop, bop. and really squeeze your abs and your shoulder blades there. Shift your weight forward so you get a crunch in the ab. There's a reason for everything, okay? So you're gonna go, hold tight when you tiptoe, tiptoe, clap, 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 tiptoe, tiptoe, clap, clap, clap. No breaks from and back to tiptoe, tiptoe, and clap, 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 clap. So the little lady says, whine with it. So whining is like doing your waist. So we're gonna step out, whine with it, step in, and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in. Okay, that will take us eventually to the bridge. The bridge, you've probably seen me do this move 100 times, but I'm gonna break it down right here. So you're gonna go low into a squat over here and bring that knee in, okay? Then you're gonna come over here, bring the knee in. So sped up, it's kind of like, and you'll see me flip my hair or my neck or whatever, I get carried away, but I'm gonna go down, side, 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 So basically, you're in a squat and you're shifting your weight side to side, and you come over here, pop it in, come over here, pop it in, come over here, pop it in. That's all that move is, but it is a real inner thigh burner, big time, okay? So, to make it fun, like at one part, he talks about, think like a Ferrari or a car, so we act like we're driving, okay? But you don't have to do anything with the arms. You can just come over. Once you get the legs, the rest of it will flow. Okay? So, it's a really fun song. I know that breaking it down is not the same as doing it full out, but hopefully it helps you understand some of the moves a little bit better, just to do them a little more slowly. So, I'm going to film the